y'all, welcome back. This video here I'm going to go over what I did to upgrade the rear brake light to LED. This one's kind of tricky because you need a white light to illuminate the plate. Alright, the original bulb on these is a 3157. You see how that filament bulb, how slow it is to respond compared to the LEDs. To upgrade, LEDs for this had to be white. And I needed something that put out a lot of light, or enough light, to not only light up the rear brake reflector, but I needed to light up the plate. So I ended up going with a 12 volt 3157 LED bulb. Now you see this bulb has got a ton of LEDs all the way around it. I'm going to put a link to this bulb underneath in case you guys are wanting to do something like this. So the higher the illumination on the bulb, the better off you're going to be, the better light you're going to have. So let me show you the difference, what this one looks like. Alright, we're going to turn it on. But that thing is unbelievably bright. It's blinding. If you look at it, it just blinds the shit out of you. That's what I had to use. That's the best bulb I could find, and it does the job. I'll show you what it looks like inside the housing. You can see you get plenty of white light out of it, and it does a great job illuminating the lens cover. And look how fast the response is on that. Plug and play, you just put it in. There's nothing else you have to do to this. You just plug that bulb in there and you're done. Alright, so there you have it. I got LEDs on all my brake lights. Like I said, it's a 2004 Ultra Classic, nothing fancy. I went to LEDs, all plug and play like I showed you. Check out that other video on the regular brake lights. I hope this video was helpful in some way. Got any questions, comments, leave them down below. Take care.